What's up, YouTube's Rudius here with a beginner's guide to Runescape Dragonwilds.
1.
Do your starting quests. The starting quests are pretty simple and pretty easy, but they will provide you an axe, pickaxe, and knife. They're pretty simple to do. Just talk to the wise man dwarf and the large human by the tent, gathering water and trees and things of that nature, and they'll set you up with some starting gear.
2.
Build near water and food supply. You will need a crap ton of water at the beginning of the game. Lower level food only gives you about a quarter of your food and water bar. Also, make sure you build your first building past the bridge. You'll know the one I'm talking about. There is a quest that will require you to claim a bed on that side of the bridge. Go ahead and knock out 2 birds, 1 stone. Build your base near water with food.
3.
Berries are your friends. Berries can be used in many cooking recipes, such as meats, potions, and cookies. Cookies are a good early source of food since they do more than a quarter bar. Also, mixing berries and water. Berries mixed with water gives you a better hydration.
4.
Cows are a good early source of bones, leather, and meat. They don't fight back too much.
5.
Trying to figure out how to make coarse thread? Once you cross the bridge, you can find flax. It is a bluish purplish flower laying around.
6.
Also, coarse animal fur makes coarse thread.
7.
Now that you have your coarse thread, you can make a bow. And a bow is good to chase and hunt down some deer. Deer are a really good source for bone and leather.
Side tip.
Also, you'll need an antler for a coming up quest.
8.
Always drink your buffs first. If your water meter is completely full and you try to drink a buff drink, it will not allow you, and you have to wait until it ticks down a little before you can consume your buff.
9.
Mine ruins to learn how to craft other elements. Fire, nature, law, and etc.
10.
You can shoot the Rune Essence out of the sky for more essence. Try and shoot them so they land next to the other Rune Essences. So when you cast Rock Explosion, you can get as many Rune Essences as possible.
11.
Once you've made the staff, you can equip runes that will change the magic type you cast. For example, with the first wind rune, you cast wind spells. Then you can change it to the fire rune and have some awesome fire spells. The fire staff is currently OP, and I would highly recommend it.
12.
You can see if an item requires shelter or not at the bottom of the info screen. Things such as cooking stations and furnaces required to be out in the open.
13.
When casting the spell Bark the Bones, oak trees yield the most bones, roughly about twice as many bones, if not more. This is a good early source of bones.
14.
Cooker will continue to cook your berries, onions, cabbage, and etc. after the meat is gone. Make sure you either put the even amount of food into your cooker or watch it and pull your stuff out so you're not wasting your plants.
15.
Organizing your spells. As you gain levels, you gain more spells than your spell wheel can handle. In your menu, you can choose which spells you have on your wheel, and you can choose the placement for quick and easy casting based off your scenario.
16.
Vault shards and vault cores can be found in, well, obviously, the vault. Vault cores are for lodestones, aka portals, to allow you to instantly transport anywhere that you place another portal, aka lodestone.
17,
If you are playing with friends, keep in mind that the EXP from crafting goes to whoever picks up the item.
8T,
While building, items that require more materials give you more experience. Take note that decorations do not return all the materials from breaking them down. So make sure when you place it, that's where you want it.
19,
Group falling trees together. When using the skill Splinter, this allows you to get the most per cooldown.
20,
Casting gathering spells gives you a large quantity of EXP.
21,
No food and water won't kill you, but it will put you at 1 HP.
22,
Animal Fang and Dirty Water provide a good hydration liquid.
thank you.
Hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. Beginner's guide. Stay tuned for more guides as we play through. Check us out on live stream or videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and join me again trying not to die. Check out the videos on the screen. Support the channel in the descriptions below. Iron.
Some near-end game footage.
Like a plant thing over there. Oh, he shot lightning at me. Oh, and it fucking half-lifed me. Ooh. Wasn't warned about that one.
What?
A plant that shoots lightning out of its mouth.
Oh, Valor said there was one. I hadn't seen one.
Yeah, he's right next to the iron node.
Oh.
Batman.
Well, I guess BTW.
I wonder if it, with it being a lightning area, is it going to rain the entire time we're here?
Probably.
It's raining where I am. I think it's just
Oh, okay.
the world.
Oh, that looks nasty.
Oh,
That's
that.
one of your dudes.
Yeah, the dude with it. Oh, in front of the tower? Or where you at?
I'm trying to cross this bridge.
Oh, shit. I'm going the wrong way.
I don't know. But I'm gonna try.
Oh. I didn't realize. I think Philip had said something about it, but I didn't realize that it shows up on your compass where the metal is. Heard him say it, I just didn't register it. How do I know if it's 10?
You'll feel it in your bones.
That's 10. That's 10. They're both 10.